Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Simple Art Ideas. And in my last video I did these puppy flowers which I found very easy but beautiful. And today also I'm going to paint one more easy flower, and that is the yellow Alyssum flower. And this is the season, actually this is spring season, and almost all varieties of flowers are blooming right now. And if you go to a garden or you just walk in a nature, in a park or somewhere, then you can see so many types of flowers are blooming very beautifully. And this Alyssum is may not be very common here and there, but I have seen only once or twice somewhere in a flower exhibition. And I love painting this because I think this is easy, still very beautiful, and they comes in big bunches of flower, you can say very tight, and but looks very beautiful. This is also called the carpet flower. And I'm using watercolor for this because I'm in love with watercolor these days. It's not like that I'm not going to use any other colors, but yes, watercolor is what I love right now for the flower painting at least. So and I'm planning to do some more of flower paintings. Then I will switch to the brush pen and the alcohol markers and the pencil and some ink pen and sketches and all that. So for right now, so I'm painting the yellow flower, and this is the first time I'm painting Alyssum flower. So first of all, I made some leaves and some tiny branches, and till now I'm using my fine brush. Just take a little bit of yellow color, light yellow color, and just make some dots like just it will look like a bunch of flowers, a bunch of tiny flowers. So this is how I'm going to paint the flowers, and later on I will highlight it with a little bit of golden brown, and also I'm going to add a tiny insects in this picture, so that it will be, I think it will be more lively, because these tiny insects make our nature beautiful, right? So I feel they are beautiful, and flowers turn more attractive with the ladybugs and the honeybee and the butterfly, dragonfly, and all these insects. I think they are beautiful when they come with flowers. And that's how I'm painting them, both the insects and the flowers. So watch the video till the end and do some artwork and get involved in some kind of painting and drawing and doodling, and enjoy the season, enjoy the painting process. And one last thing, if you are new to my channel, please like my videos, subscribe to my channel, watch my video, and also share my videos with your like-minded friends. So have a good day. Bye bye.